My junior high school life in Zhongping Junior High School. Special classroom. You must be at school at 7:30 in the morning and wear school uniform or school wear and carry a school bag. We follow the class schedule at school, starting at 8:20 a.m. and ending at 3:45 p.m., with each class lasting 45 minutes. We have Chinese, mathematics, social studies, science, English, visual arts, performing arts information, life science, physical education, health education, scouts, music in classroom. There is a 10-minute break between each class, during which I will chat with my friends, dance in the sun, discuss homework, or lie down to rest. Special events. Thank you.